Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Do you not get the concept?
So today we're gonna be doing a Shein summer slash vacation haul, and I tried on all these clothes and this was actually a really good bunch, y'all. You're gonna be shocked because I was shocked. How about we just start with the piece that shocked me the most? So first up we have these fluffy pants. I got this in a size medium. This is from MUSERA, that shop. I don't know if you guys realize, but basically Shein has absorbed some stores. They have like satellite shops, so different shops have different quality of things, and I've been trying to search for like the best shops with the best quality. So this is one of them. Not for their tops though, but the bottoms look like they're pretty good quality. And I was considering if I was gonna buy these. I was looking so hard in the reviews, y'all, because some people were like, oh, it's not fluffy, it's not furry, and some people were like, I absolutely love it, like I'm so happy I got it. So I took the risk because these were what, $40-50, and that's a lot for Shein. So I'm like, please let them fit. They actually fit, surprisingly. That's one, they fit. And I'm not gonna say they're toe friendly. I'm 5'8", and I have to wear it low on my hips for it to hit the ground. If I wear it like where I usually want to wear it, which is like probably not the normal thing for a lot of people, I like to wear my pants closer to my belly button, it's high waters. But on my hips is good. I feel like I could get away with, like, if I wear it on my hip, I could wear some sandals. Yeah, that's good. And if you look at it up close, under the pants is like pink, and then the feathers are like an off-white. But if I had to rate this, like, sorry guys, it is so hot and my air conditioner is not on, but if I had to rate this from like 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 9. No, I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm taking off points because I wish it was just a little bit longer, and I'm kind of nervous to wash it. That's gonna be the truth if these pants are any good, the wash. Next up we have this little seashell by the seashell, you know, the tongue twister crochet dress. I did not even realize when I tried it on that it had these adjustable straps on it, but this one, it fit nice. It fit really nice. But I'm gonna give it to y'all right now. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. You see this? No support for the girls with bigger chests. Like, I wear a size B cup, A on a regular day. It don't really matter. I don't really wear bras like that. But yeah, my point is I'm flat chested. So if you have big boobs, I would not recommend this because there's not any support. And I feel like if you look at this, it's like really flimsy. So it's like the top that covers your boobs is up here, but then the, what you call it, the shoulder thing, the strap, yeah, the strap is like way, like halfway down into like the bustier part. So this is one where it's like you need to come with your own shape. It's not going to build one for you. But I actually really like this, and I thought it was going to be see-through. When I tried this on, I had like red underwear on and you could not see through it, but with all the holes I was convinced that you really would. So you'll be good. This is not a beach cover-up, but this is definitely going to be more of like a vacation type of dress, for real. But I like this. It was really cute. I always love blue on me. It's a tiny bit short, but I feel like I could get away with it. Like when I'm walking, it's not like riding up. So that was really good too. And this was in a size, I want to say this was a size small, if I'm not mistaken. The tag's not on it, y'all, but I'm pretty sure this was a small. Next up, we have another dress. This one, when I ordered it online, I was like, I have to have it. But when I tried it on, I was like, oh my goodness, like this is so freaking beautiful. Like, what? Like, let me tell you what got me first. When I tried it on, I did not realize the detailing in the arm. So as you can see, it has like these little cutouts on it, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. I feel like this one might be more of a cover-up, honestly, but you could get away with it because when I tried this on, I had put pasties on. You couldn't really see through it with the pasties, and then I just put on like a black, but I put on like a black thong though, because I'm like, yeah, no, like the holes are not huge, but they're not small enough like the blue dress where you could get away with it. Also, I love this color too. Y'all know green is my favorite color, specifically teal. But this is crochet. This was actually a little hot though. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I put it on, I started sweating, but I also sweat a lot, so maybe biased. Then the sleeves, they're so frilly cute. I get nervous when I order stuff like this with the sleeves because I don't know if it's gonna be full enough. But this one is actually really full. They ate with that. This was actually, do they have the size on this one? This one I'm pretty sure was a small also too. I've been ordering smalls. I don't know what made me think I was a medium all this time, but I'm starting to finally get my size. There's no frills on the bottom. It's like a smooth cut, but this one is really short. Like when I tell you I have to like sit pretty if I decide to ever wear this, because it's just, not toe girl friendly at all. The other thing is, this is the back, and y'all know I love a good back moment. It has a keyhole and it has this little piece to hold it on, to hold it up. It's not like one of those things where when you drop it has like a drop, like them like layered drop type of thing, but it still sits really well. I like this dress also. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10 because again, I just wish it was a little longer. Now that I think about it, why did I order so many dresses, y'all? This dress, oh my gosh, this dress is a 10. Oh, did I break it? Oh, there we go. This dress, bro, this dress is literally a 10, y'all. I was, again, skeptical because it's Shein, but this is like a stretchy, like that bandage type of feel, and then it has like all these strings, right? And this is how you hold it up. This is to hook around your neck, right? And I was just happy that I didn't have to like try and squeeze my big head through it. I could just clip it like this and it will be good. The only thing I would say about this dress is that I kind of hate seeing this, like, I hate seeing the collar line under it because it's kind of looking like it's supposed to look like this. So I kind of pushed down the collar line a little bit and then made sure that the stringy part was more seen. The only thing I would change about this dress, honestly, is that I wish the back had the strings too. And one more thing about if you get this dress, I feel like because my boobs are not bigger, it's not as flattering, so it kind of looks like all belly, and then the little circle things emphasize it more, but I'm still gonna wear it. I feel like it's a cute dress. This is very high quality material on this. Is heavy. This was great. And then the back is in an invisible zip back. I ate this whole up, y'all. I'm sorry. If y'all need vacation dresses, that's me. When it comes to picking out a shirt from Shein though, that's where I be struggling. But look at it jiggle. Ooh, and how did I forget? It has this split in the back, and the split is not too high. It does not come up to my butt crack. It hits like just a little bit over my knees. I'm gonna actually give this one a 9. And that's only because it doesn't flatter my body, but I'm sure somebody else it would actually look like really, really cute on them. And I think it hit, if I remember, it hit like close to my ankles or like 3/4-ish, but it's like you could get away with wearing heels with it and it doesn't seem like the dress is too short. It's not touching the floor. Like, love it. Yes, yes. Another dress, another dress, another dress. I was shopping for vacation, so it makes sense why all of them are dresses. But this, oh, this is, oh my gosh, this one is my favorite one out of all of them. This is my favorite dress. I thought this one was gonna be see-through too because it was crochet again. It wasn't like, you could not see nothing under it. I was like, yeah. It has no like supports, of course, again. So my big boob girls, I'm sorry. I feel like you could probably get away with a bra the way how it's cut if it's strapless, but I don't know. I'd be like no bra crew, so I'm a little biased. This is like an orange and white, but let me tell you what, 2 things I ate about this dress. The first thing is that it hits the ground, like, and when I say hits the ground, like it's sweeping the ground, like, ooh, like I love that, especially because every time I get a dress that I'm thinking is gonna hit the ground, it'll be hitting right above my ankles and it'll be looking awkward. But this, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then it has the little frills on the bottom. I might have to comb it out because I had this in the bag sitting for a little bit. And the quality on this, bro, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I forgot the name of this shop, but I'm gonna probably have to like look it up. I might just like tag all this stuff. There's a shop on Shein, and this is where the shop came from, and it has like resembles Zara quality. Shout out ChatGPT, because I'm like, what shop should I shop at? They weren't lying, because the dress, you know, obviously all of them I've been getting away with the crochet, but let me show you the shirt that I also got from there, and I was like, ooh, baby. Matter of fact, a round of applause, a literal round of applause. Look at this shirt. Look at this shirt. Oh my gosh. And that's what I'm saying, it's so hard, yo, it's so hard for me to find a good shirt on Shein that's not see-through, that it's not paper material. Like this, look at it. Do you see the material on that? Oh my gosh. And it's sage green. It has this little gold accent on it, and the cut for the V, it's not that deep. Like no nothing was shown. Like I feel like it cuts like right above it, like perfectly. So pretty. Even if it cut it lower, I would have been down for it, because I love a good like deep V moment, deep plunge back moment. This is cropped. The bottom I also like because it doesn't give like that like fling out type of thing, if you know what I mean. It's just like That's what I'm talking about. So I love that too. This was also in a size small. Most of my clothes was in a size small, and I was just like, yes, And for all the W's I had, I did take a L. I think a singular L this time, because I have another dress, this, which is so cute. I kind of like just threw it in the bag. I was like, if it's not good, it's okay. But I seen a lot of pictures and the people were rating it good, but if it was me, honestly, I'm not rating this dress good. One, it's way too short. The second thing about it is that I'm kind of mad that the 1997, well, at least when I tried on, it's not over my chest, it's like under it. I feel like that defeats the purpose. What I do like about the dress though is the little like blue details, the number. Like, I feel like if I wear this, I might have to wear stockings. Like, my butt is actually hanging out, or I might have to wear it as like a beach cover up because it's really short. This was a size small also, but I feel like, damn, like if it was a little longer and the 1997 was on my boobs, it would have been chef's kiss, but it's not. So that's the one thing I feel like out of this entire haul I would really not recommend. This piece was probably made for like the 5'2" girls, not us 5'8", 5'9", 6 feet. Definitely not 6. Oh, it's a t-shirt if you 6 feet. I'm telling you, I might actually wear it as a t-shirt now that I think about it. Then you know what else was short? These bad boys. These, oh my gosh, this is a size, what is this? This is a size small. It's from MUSERA, however you say it. It has a drawstring on it, but it doesn't really tighten your waist too much. I feel like it's more just for design, for real. Actually, I don't think it tightens your waist at all. Oh yeah, just a little bit, look. I will only be able to wear this on the beach, unfortunately. Why? Because my butt is hanging out. My butt, like, I don't know what it is. I think it's because I live in New York. Like, if I lived in like Florida, on the islands, I'll be like, you know, a little butt cheek, it don't hurt nobody, because you know those are beach environments. But New York City, am I trying to, oh my gosh, am I trying to be harassed the entire day? No. So will this be making it in the towns? Unfortunately not. But will it be making it on that trip with a cute little small bikini? Yes, ma'am. And it's off-white, by the way, if you're wondering. It's not white. It's a creamish kind of color. Honorable mention, I got this bathing suit too, and I got this in a size small, but the top is too small and then the bottom is too big. So I feel like if I wear this, I'm gonna have to wear like a cover up or something, or tie it a different way from the way it originally was. I did not record that on camera because I was like, absolutely not. But maybe like when I go on vacation, you guys could see how it looks when I pair it with the cover up that I had in mind, if I find it, hopefully. Oh, and I forgot the pants. I actually have them on right now. I was like, I'm gonna wear them today because they're so freaking cute. When I first pulled out the bag, I'm like, why do I have skinny jeans in my bag? And then I remembered that I ordered these capri denim jeans, and it has a cute little V-cut, which I really like. The details in it is good. The denim on it is heavy. It doesn't give like that, well, it is kind of stretchy. It's not too much of a stiff denim, but it doesn't give like that jegging type of feel on it. So I really like that, and it fit to a T. This was also a size small. But yeah, that was my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed, and come back next week for another video. Bye.